we're about to start off on our hike. We got Pharaoh unfortunately had to stay at home, but we got Dottie. She's a little bit shyer. And then got my dad and little sister over here. Oh yeah, let's go on an adventure. We're just making our way. I'm kind of dying. My dad decided he wanted to go on the harder trail for whatever reason. I think he's regretting that. Way back there. Look at this little tiny tyke. Keeping up, doing her thing. Look how cute she is. Got camp set up. Cool little spot. Hello. Morning everybody, all packed up, hiking out, about to make our journey out and stop at a little cafe and get a little breakfast. So hungry right now. We made it, a little short round trip. I smell horrible like usual. Super proud of her, heck yeah, high five. Oh yes we did!